Okay, we have the cheesesteaks, we have the soft pretzels. I mean, you already know that we have the Liberty Bell. But Mural Arts Philadelphia is so unique. It has made this city the mural capital of the world. That is amazing. In a city of neighborhoods, each mural tells a story of the people that live there and the history that surrounds them. And of course, murals like this is something you want to see. My favorite thing about the city is that I can park one place and then walk to my destination. It is insanely cool how I can find my favorite coffee shops, little gems that I've never even seen before. And of course, you can see all these different places that are quite Instagrammable. If you go a little bit, not too far from Center City, you can see Wissahickon Valley Park, stone brick bridges, magical forest, the creek, barn. There's so many different things you can do there. Take a walk, take a hike, bring your dog, bring a friend. It is the most beautiful place in Philadelphia. Welcome to my Philadelphia.
Growing up here, I always felt like I was in a playground. There was always something to do outside. You could go play at one of the ski resorts, skiing or snowboarding, go outside and ride your bike somewhere, enjoy one of the lakes, go out rafting on a river. Going out Lake Wallenpaupack and water skiing or jet skiing, just getting out and really enjoying all the things that nature has to offer. But it's really something when you're walking on some of our hiking trails or in our state parks and you come across a waterfall that you weren't expecting. One of the craziest things you can do in the Pocono Mountains is drive a race car. And from experience, I can tell you it's an awesome experience. And here you get to drive it on a 3-turn track called the Tricky Triangle. It's something you're never going to forget. It's awesome. You're behind a race car, you're doing top speeds. And when you're done, you're just like, holy cow, I just drove a race car. One of the great things that's new to the Pocono Mountains the last few years is indoor water parks. So you can come to the Poconos and never worry about the weather because you have those great amenities as well. Jim Thorpe is known as Little Switzerland. It's crafted after that era of time when the town is pristine and you feel like you're stepping back in time. Another great place is Honesdale, and you walk down the main street of that town and you can see that it's still the same picturesque town that it was way back then, and it's just this great small town feel that you really get a piece of Americana. And we are only a few hours from New York City and Philadelphia, so we recommend that, renting a car and coming here and really enjoying the outdoors. And so we have some great roadways that you're going to see breathtaking scenery throughout the year, as well as just getting out and seeing the different things we have to offer.